In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Slack invite link never expire. If you regularly invite a large community, a group of freelancers, or new team members during onboarding, having your Slack invite link expire can quickly become frustrating. By default, Slack usually sets invite links to expire after 30 days, which means people may click an old link and find that it no longer works. The good news is that if you have the right permissions, you can change that setting and create a permanent invite link instead. Before you begin, make sure your account has permission to manage invitation settings. Typically, this is available to workspace owners, workspace admins, or anyone who has been specifically allowed to send and manage invites by an administrator. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside the correct workspace, go to the top left area of the screen and click on your workspace name in the sidebar. This opens the main workspace menu. From that drop-down, choose the option that says Invite People to this workspace. That will open the Invite Members panel. In that panel, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You should see the area for the invite link, including the option to copy it. Right next to that, click the Edit option. Depending on your version of Slack, this may appear as a small gear icon, a pencil icon, or a simple text link. Clicking it will open the invitation link settings window, where you can control how long the link remains active. Now find the drop-down menu labeled Link Set to Expire After. Click on it to expand the available options. From the list, choose Never Expires, or in some versions, you may see a similar label, such as No Limit. After selecting that option, click Save to apply the change. Once you save it, Slack will automatically regenerate the invite link using the new settings. At that point, click Copy Invite Link to copy your permanent invitation link to the clipboard. You can now share that link wherever it makes the most sense for your team, such as in onboarding documents, a team dashboard, or calendar invites. Since it no longer expires, you won't need to keep replacing it every few weeks. Just remember that because it's permanent, you should only place it in locations that are appropriate for the audience you want to invite. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next